Welcome. In front of me I have the Spigen Ultra Hybrid case, which is for the iPhone Pro in this case. And I'll go over unboxing with a test fit, and also I'll drop in a test fit for the 16, as technically it does state for 6.3, which both of those are basically the same sizes. So it does, I don't even need to check, I know that it will fit. The only downside is it will look weird, but I'll get to that once we do a test fit. Anyway, I just pop it open. Here we go, clear design, very solid hard plastic on the back with silicone all around. So plopping that on, there we go. We do have protection so you can peel that off. I'm gonna keep it on there. So you can see it fits pretty well. We can also see the MagSafe right here. The buttons are obviously visible right here. Power button has a cutout, so it makes it a little bit easier to press it on the cut sides. And same thing goes for the volume rockers, along with the little mute button right here. Everything is like it's supposed to be, obviously. And yeah, so it fits pretty well. In hand, it also feels nicely. We do have rubberized like feet right here on all the corners to protect the plastic from just scratching up. Though it's still not like gonna do anything around this area right here where you have camera, as this protrudes much further than these little feet, so it makes it kind of redundant to have it right here. Okay, sorry for that. Anyway, so there we go. Now taking that off, let's plop it onto the, oh come on, there we go. Let's pop it on to the 16. As you can see, I do have the normal one. There we go. And this will look a bit weird, like it's like the camera might be pushing the screen protector off. It's just kind of like an illusion because it's not being fitted all the way. There's a lot of empty space, but the actual case fits over the device well. You can see everything is in the same place, so there's no problems here. The volume rockers, the little mute button right here, power, and this, everything is in place. So you can use this if you really want to with a 16, but like I said, because of the camera cutout, it is primarily designed for the Pro version, not the non-Pro. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.